Hello everyone, my name is Azizbek. Welcome to this video. Today I will be explaining the Python libraries such as PyTube, MoviePy, TKinter, PyInstaller for our program to download YouTube playlists and the videos edit. And so let's dive in. As you can see on the left side of the screen, this is the command line based program, and the right side of the screen you can see the GUI based version of it. So our first library is PyTube. Let's start. So basically PyTube is a library in order to download YouTube videos for us. So in our code we are just making functions to download videos from YouTube and choosing for function for choosing only audio and download playlist and download only one specific video inside the playlist. Then we run the code and we should enter the link of the YouTube playlist and choose the action. Let's choose download playlist 1 and audio only. Let's try yes, and we must choose resolution, and it starts, and you can see it's already done here and saved in our Google Drive. The next library is MoviePy, which helps us to edit our videos like trimming, cutting, and making other operations on our videos and media files. For this we need some functions like trimming video, like you can see input path, output path, start time, end time of the video. And if we run it, I will show here again, entering the URL of the YouTube video, playlist, and choosing trim video. For this we have already function I showed above is responsible, and we must enter the path to the video file, and then it will ask us to enter the starting points and ending points of the video, and then it will edit it. The next libraries are TKinter and CustomTKinter and their necessary elements. So they are for GUI interface instead of command line based interface for the user. We can see we have made a class called app with kind of designs like and tabs. You can see tabs for playlist and tabs for every other videos and others. So basically it is like if our program is like a room, these libraries are interior designs of the room for their very good styles, layouts, and interactivity of the user inside the interface. You can see there are tabs for each our functions that is totally different and much better than the previous command line based interface. And there are also buttons which are designed using these. Last but not least, I will use PyInstaller library in order to convert my Python code into executable file for Windows. You can see on the left sidebar it is like py Python file. Using PyInstaller library we can convert it into executable file. So I'm using the comments of the library and selecting my own file here and click enter, and then it will convert it into exe executable file. Here you can see on our file explorer this is exe that was converted from py file, and when we open it we can see the user interface that we talked earlier. It opens this program. We can make operations here, so let's try again. So now let's use our app. Let's pass the YouTube playlist URL, and so here let's choose the only audio option and then download the content. And from our file explorer you can see it was downloaded, but only with audio. And then we can download it with video also. And here you can see it is updated, and now it is downloaded as a video file. So this was our main application, and we can do other operations too, but we have no more time, so I end the video. Thank you for your time watching. Thank you very much.